parentheses 10 minus 5 times 2, then times 3. In our parentheses, 10 minus 5 will give us 5, then 5 times 2, bring down our 3 here. 5 times 2 is equals to 10. Then we have 10 times 3. 10 times 3 will give us 30, which is wrong because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right, in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses. And in our parentheses, we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction, which is we are going to solve 5 times 2 first. 5 times 2 will give us 10. Then we have 10 minus 10. Then multiply by 3. 10 minus 10 will give us 0. Then we have 0 times 3. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.